Welcome back to NovoCL French Academy. In our today's session, we will be learning how we need to tell the answer of what's the time. If someone asked you what's the time, how you will respond to that person in French. So basically, there are two ways of actually responding this question is formal way and informal way. So first of all, we will be shooting our formal way. How, like, it's actually simple, but the informal way is bit tricky that you need to learn. We have already understood the numbers in French till 100, but now it's the time to use it in what's the time. Okay, so let's start. I have taken the series of 8 and 12 to know you that with this you can actually frame any time of the day. Okay, so first of all, we have started with formal way and informal way. Just don't read this right now. 8 o'clock. What is 8 in French? It is 8. 8 is 8. So it's 8 o'clock is il est 8 heures. Okay, before starting it, I wanted to know that if someone is asking you what's the time, so how we say what is the time in French? Quelle heure est-il? Quelle heure est-il? Okay. So 8 a.m. Il est 8 heures. 8 o'clock. Il est 8 heures. It is 8 o'clock. 8:15. 8 o'clock is as it is. Adding 15. 15 is 15. Il est 8 heures 15. 8:30. What is 30? 30. So this will remain same. But we are just adding what is written here. We are just adding what is written here. Now you tell me what is 45? Il est 8 heures will remain intact, but it is 45. What it is? 45. Il est 8 heures 45. Next is 12 a.m. Not saying 12 p.m. I have said 12 a.m. means midnight. रात के 12 बजे. So guys, आज रात को ट्राई करना जब आप अपना फोन खोलो 12 बजे. So क्या 12 a.m. लिखा होता है कि 0000 लिखा होता है? सोच के बताना. जब दोपहर के 12 बज रहे हैं, when it's afternoon, it's 12. But when it's night, it's not 12, it is 0. 0000. This is how I have seen in my phone. You need to check it out today. Let's see. 00 means 12 a.m. in the night. How we will be writing it? Il est 0 heure. Il est 0 heure means रात के 12 बज गए. Il est 0 heure. Okay. If it's 12:15, il est 0 heure 15. Il est 0 heure 15. 12:45 is il est 0 heure 45. Il est 0 heure 45. Any doubt till now? If not, we will be moving to informal way. Okay. So guys, 8 o'clock will remain same. Il est 8 heures. But there are changes in 15, 45 and the night. Okay. How we will be doing that? Okay. It is actually used in every time. Even if it's 8:15, 7:15, 6:15, 4:15, 3:15, any time. Okay. And we are just following AM right now, not PM. We'll be actually doing AM first, then PM afterwards. 8:15 a.m. Il est 8 heures will remain intact. Okay. Instead of cans, we have written एक hour. एक hour is also 15. Remember it. Il est 8 heures एक hour, which means it is 8:15 in informal way. My Hindi audience, क्या सुना है 8:15 हो गए हैं? That is a formal way. 8:15 हो गए हैं. That is an informal way. So it's same in French. Il est 8 heures 15 is a formal way. Il est 8 heures et quart. It's informal way. Next. 30. It's il est 8 heures 30. 30 is et demi. Et demi. D-E-M-I-E. Et demi is 30. Next. 8:45. So guys, we have not written 8 here. We have written enough. Why? because what I need to know is it is 9 o'clock less 15. हम बोलते हैं ना हिंदी में पौने 8 हो रहे हैं. What is पौने 8? It's the same. पौने मतलब नेक्स्ट वर्ड हम लोग बोलते हैं पौने 9. It's like that. ठीक है. So इले नवा मुआ लकार. What is मुआ लकार? -15. Mu'a is -15. So what is 9 minus 15? 9 o'clock minus 15 is 8:45. Informal way. Ile na for mu'a lakar means -15. So it's 8:45. Okay, ऐसे. 12 a.m. midnight. So instead of writing 0 hour, we are writing ile minui. Ile minui. Minuit. Next is 12:15 a.m. Minuit will remain intact. 15 is ekar. Ile minuit ekar. Next 12:45. I have just spoke. Whatever is written here plus 1 minus 15. So ile yunar minus 15 is mu'a lakar. So what is 1 minus 15? 1 में से 15 माइनस कर दिया तो 12:45 हो गया. सो इट्स लाइक दैट. सो इट्स इले यूनर मुआ लकार इज 12:45 am. वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट am. सो वी आर एट द एंड ऑफ द सेशन टुडे. वी हैव जस्ट हिट आवर am part. We will be doing our pm part in our next session. So for any doubt you can ping me on the comment section or write the query on the WhatsApp number that I have mentioned in the description. So if you like this video, kindly hit the bell icon so that whenever any video get published, you will get notified. Au revoir, à bientôt.